Hi, this is Clint from Versa. Can transforming to Versa Secure SD WAN drive down network TCO for large enterprise? So a brief review of the Versa Secure SD WAN solution. This diagram shows an enterprise network that's been transformed to Versa Secure SD WAN. We have physical Versa devices in headquarters, branch sites, and the data center. We have a virtual Versa appliance in AWS and Azure. Versa Director provides central network and security policy management, and Versa is executing all the SD-WAN and routing functions. We can enforce the enterprise security policy at the branch or a hub site, and Versa also serves as a remote access servers for mobile workers, and this scales to thousands of branches with powerful analytics, open APIs, and complete multi-tenancy. So here are the 5 ways Versa can lower TCO in an enterprise network. 1, there's the WAN Edge network appliance consolidation. We can also help with network license consolidation. You can choose from multiple Versa certified, cost-effective x86 based network appliance options, including Versa CSG and Dell VEP. And Versa Secure SD-WAN needs a smaller network appliance than a multi-VNF branch solution. And then there's the obvious MPLS to internet for transport cost savings. So the first opportunity is the branch network appliance consolidation. So in many enterprises, we've got some appliance sprawl. We might have a router appliance, an SD-WAN appliance, a WAN app appliance, next-gen firewall, maybe an LTE WAN backup appliance. And as we transform to Versa, we can have a single appliance running the Versa operating system, performing SD-WAN, next-gen firewall, unified threat management, routing, secure access, and LTE WAN backup. This appliance is natively running the Versa operating system and natively performing all these functions. This is not multiple VNFs. This is one piece of software doing it all. So to unfold that a bit further, we're looking at an infrastructure where we have our LAN in a branch. We have the Versa Secure SD-WAN device northbound of the LAN. And Versa has a pipeline packet processing model where we can basically perform all of these functions in a single pass. Where other vendors may have a virtualization platform and multiple VNFs, and the packets are then flowing through multiple VNFs. So that's what this looks like. We have a x86 box running a virtualization layer, some sort of hypervisor, and then we have multiple VNFs on top of that, servers chained together. And Versa can actually function in this environment. We can be the SD-WAN VNF in that environment. But in this model, you typically have a larger box. You then have multiple VNFs and then multiple panes of glass to manage it. It's basically a much more complex branch solution and a more expensive branch solution. So the bigger opportunity is actually license consolidation. So in a typical multi-VNF solution, you may have a license for SD-WAN, a license for next-gen firewall, a license for secure access, a license and a support contract on maybe a router, analytics, and a virtualization platform license. In the Versa solution, we have a single license for all these functions, so it's much more cost-effective in terms of licensing. The other opportunity is network hub consolidation. So on the left, you'll see a typical large enterprise hub. So we have a hub in EMEA, a hub in Asia Pac, a hub in North America. And it's not uncommon to have a large next-gen firewall, maybe an SD-WAN appliance, and then maybe a legacy router for underlay. And most of our competition is not yet consolidated their SD-WAN code base and next generation firewall code base into a single piece of software. So these are typically separate physical appliances or separate virtual appliances. And then with some of the SD-WAN solutions, their BGP route table is not large enough to basically be this hub underlay router. So there may be larger Cisco or Juniper underlay routers northbound of SD-WAN in the hub sites. So this is a pretty expensive model. It's a pretty complicated model. In the Versa solution, we have a single Versa node that once again is performing SD-WAN functions, security functions, advanced routing functions. We can also be the SD-WAN to MPLS to underlay gateway. We can also be the secure access server for mobile workers. So one appliance running Versa operating system natively, performing all these functions. This is much more elegant and much more cost effective. So the other opportunity is using standards-based hardware. So you can deploy the Versa solution on Versa network appliances, on Dell VEP network appliances, or 4 different Versa certified white box vendors. All these appliances ship with Versa Secure SD WAN installed. They boot up as a Versa node. And as an enterprise customer, you can choose from multiple Versa certified network appliances at very cost-effective prices. So you're not obliged to buy Versa network appliances. You have choice. So the other opportunity is the MPLS to Internet for transport. And as you migrate to higher bandwidth circuits to your sites, which is a natural occurrence, these are a fraction of the price of MPLS. And this is one of the largest OPEX savings from MPLS to SD-WAN migration. And this is common to all SD-WAN migrations. So if we summarize this in the OPEX category, because we have a smaller network appliance in the branch, the support contract is proportionally smaller. In addition, your licensing costs are much lower in the Versa solution than in a multi-VNF solution. Internet transport costs will be a wash. And then once again, in the Versa solution, we don't need these large third-party next-gen firewall and underlay routers in the hub locations, further reducing OPEX costs on those support contracts. On the capex side, the branch network appliances are less expensive, and then we don't need the large third-party firewalls and large third-party underlay routers. That saves you additional capex. So when you add up the OPEX savings and the capex savings, it's pretty significant. We estimate a Versa Secure SD-WAN transformation is at least 60% less than other SD-WAN solutions, probably more. So in summary, how can Versa lower network TCO? For enterprises that lean into a Versa Secure SD-WAN transformation, there is a significant savings opportunity. To realize the most cost savings, enterprises should use Versa for SD-WAN, security, and secure access. And consolidating from multiple network appliances per branch to a single appliance is a good savings, but the Versa license consolidation is the much larger savings opportunity. And you can consolidate expensive hub site network infrastructure into a single Versa Secure SD-WAN device. And Versa is the leader in secure SD-WAN. We hope you find this useful. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.